how to recover deleted emails on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted emails on Gmail. Let's dive right in. So you need to head over to your Gmail app and then you can go to the three lines in the top left and then scroll down, search for Bean, tap on it, and here you'll find all of your deleted emails. You can just select it, just press and hold. You can select all, and then you can go to the three dots in the top right, and then you can choose to move to and then move it to inbox. So that's how you recover your deleted emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.